We all have our personal ways to tidy our homes. But what about cleaning the machines that help us clean our home? Time to get to the bottom of cleaning up.
I cook every day. I'm up at 5 in the morning cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinners for these little munchkins.
But she doesn't eat anything.
I do. We are a family of 4 humans and 2 animals. And we are very active and love sports, love outdoors. We are the Jacobs family and we live in West Palm Beach, Florida. Our kitchen has all Whirlpool appliances and we can be happier. It's very easy to maintain, it's efficient, and it serves the purpose. I just recently found out that I have to clean my appliances.
A March 2023 study found that only 1 in 10 people actually know to clean their appliances. I would agree with that statement. I didn't even know to clean my appliances until a year or 2 ago. And now I use Affresh monthly and I love it. I put it right inside with my dishwasher and I don't even have to worry about my dishwasher smelling like last night's dinner. My name's Carly Holzner. I work for Whirlpool Corporation as the Affresh Associate Brand Manager. It's important to make sure that you're not washing your clothes in a dirty wash machine when you think that it's coming out, brand new. You want to make sure that the plates that you're eating off of were actually cleaned in a clean dishwasher.
Appliances are expensive.
And even getting more expensive.
True. You want to make sure we keep them around as long as possible.
When you own a home or a business, or even for renters, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your appliances. They're an expensive purchase, so you want to make sure that you're protecting your investment with routine maintenance and care from the use and care guides. You want to make sure that you're adding in Affresh monthly as well, so that you're optimizing and maintaining your machine's performance.
Not only Affresh products are very easy to use and they work very well, they also help to maintain and optimize the performance of my machines.
What's great about Affresh Appliance Care is that it doesn't just work on Whirlpool appliances, it works on all brands of appliances. Our Affresh Appliance Care is specially formulated to remove things like limescale and mineral buildup that can affect your appliance's performance. Each tablet is designed to clean inside of your machine.
The Affresh dishwasher tablets are very easy to use. You load your dishes in the dishwasher, put the tablet in, it cleans places that I can't see or reach. Run it and you have a clean dishwasher and dishes at the same time.
What's great about Affresh is that when you want to deep clean your dishwasher, you don't have to wait to do a separate load with the Affresh tablet. You can just throw it in with a load of dishes and be done.
The one thing I love about the Affresh products that are very easy to use. You need one tablet to get the job done.
Your dishwasher, your wash machine, your disposal, you want to make sure that you are cleaning them on a monthly basis, as well as following your use and care guidelines from your manufacturer as well. This way you always know that you're maximizing your machine's performance. In the laundry list of things that you need to clean, many people don't think to add the things that clean, like your wash machine and your dishwasher. I don't even like to clean in general, but I know that I wouldn't want to shower in a dirty shower, so why would I wash my dishes in a dirty dishwasher?
I found this little green box, and now I know to do it every month.
It's hard to remember to add another thing to your cleaning list, but we try to make it easy by adding a calendar on the side of the packaging so you can check off when you've cleaned your appliance every month. Spring cleaning is another great reminder to add appliances to your deep cleaning routine. Just use Affresh tablets monthly and then use it every month after.
I love Whirlpool. The Affresh product line is very helpful in maintaining our appliances in a good shape.
Optimize your machine's performance with the deep cleaning power of Affresh Appliance Care.
To learn more about Whirlpool Corporation's Affresh product line and what they can do to improve your home, visit affresh.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.